Welcome to Aaron's review, and in today's video we'll be looking at tips and tricks for the Astell and Kern Sp1000 music player. Today's video is going to be a special one as we're going to be splitting this into 4 series where I give you 4 types of tips for this player. The reason I've actually split this into 4 tips is because I think it'll be easier for my viewers to follow through these instructions as to learn what the Sp1000 player can do. And I promise you, as we progress through these series, that the tips that I provide you will get better and better. Before I start talking about this player, it's been 2 weeks since I've opened my channel, and at the moment we're getting a lot of viewers, which is good. However, one thing that I do lack right now is subscribers. So I just want to make a challenge for you guys who is viewing this video right now, the audiophile members, the people who enjoy music, the people who appreciate the quality of what these music players can bring. My target would be to have 1,000 subscribers. That would be my challenge. So to my audiophile community, I ask you for some help. Click the subscribe button. Let's go for that challenge, which is 1,000 subscribers, maybe within these 2 months. Okay, for those people who don't like to do challenges, how about this? Let's play a game. Let's just say if by the end of these 4 videos or 4 tips you actually do learn something which you didn't know, then you click on the subscribe button. Does that sound reasonable? Anyway, let's get started. So here is tip number 1 of 4 for the Astell and Kern Sp1000. Now, as you're probably aware, recently or a couple months ago, Astell and Kern opened the software for us so as to install open apps. The models that actually currently support open apps include the Sp1000, the Sp1000M, and the se100, and also sr15, which is the cheapest version. In this video, I think it will be the best that I demonstrate to the new users how to install open app on the players. So first of all, you have to go to the Astell and Kern website, which is provided in the link below. The open app service enables the user to install specific APK music streaming apps to the device. Copy the desired APK to the open service folder of the product and install the relevant apps. Now, the players that support open app service include the Sp1000, Sp1000M, se100, and sr15. And it is only possible for players that are using 4.2 or higher. So anything less than 4.2, you're not able to install this. Now, the open service app that we now support include Amazon Music, Spotify, Tidal, SoundCloud, Pandora, Melon, Bugs, Flow, AWA, QQ Music, and KKBox. Now, scrolling down to the very bottom, under where the picture of the laptop is, there is the apkpure.com website that AK recommends. So I'm just going to use the one that he recommends. So you click it, which is also provided in the link below. Go to the very right on the search menu, you type in Tidal and press enter, and it is usually the first one there, so click on it, download the APK, and then you can see down there it is downloading. Next, click on the search menu again, look for Spotify and press return. First one again, double click on it, and again download the APK. And for me, you can see that it is also downloaded. Fast forward to the next part once it's downloaded. Okay, it seems like Spotify has now downloaded as well. Show in Finder, there is my 2 APK files that I need. Now plug in your Sp1000 player, open Surfaces. In your internal storage, drag your 2 files over. After that, close this and eject your Sp1000 player. Having now transferred Open Apps into this player, I'm now going to demonstrate how to install Spotify and Tidal onto this player. Obviously, the other software that you can install is done in the same way. So what I do is go to the main screen, which is pressed here, and then after that, Astell and Kern icon. We then go to Services, and notice our file Spotify and Tidal is already installed here. So we click this button. Notice it asks us if we want to install it. Yes, this is Spotify 8.5.734. We click install like so. Takes a bit of time, so be patient. Nope, test that is done. App is installed. We can either open it or we can press done. I am just going to press done. I'm also going to install Tidal as well. So here we press this button, and again Tidal 2.1 2.0. Click install. Again, a little bit of time. Right, so here everything is done. Now if you click here, Spotify, it now opens and you can continue to sign in using your account that you have or create a new one. I will not show you how to do that, of course. You can do that yourself. So if I want to find Tidal, go to Services. Here we click Tidal. And again, you can log in or sign up. So this concludes part 1 of 4 Astell and Kern Sp1000 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.